up here on the smartboard, I've got the start of the Three Little Pigs story. So I'm going to read out the story. And when you hear a word with an A sound in it, whenever you hear that A, I want you to put your hands on your head. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs. You will have to build your own houses. Hooray! I'm going to give you a copy of the story written out on a piece of paper. And I'm going to ask you to work with a partner to find all of those words with the A sound. When you see a word with the A sound in it, I would like you to underline it with a coloured pencil and see how many different words with the A sound in it you can find.
One day, their mother called them and told them, I have something to say to you. I am getting too old to look after you. You can't stay here any longer. You will have to build your own houses. Hooray, shouted the pigs. The first little pig decided to build his house from straw. He paid a farmer for some straw. First little pig decided to build his house from straw. He paid a farmer for some straw and built it just on one day. The second little pig built his a different way.